osmoregulation. Osmoregulation or regulation of osmolarity is the process which regulates the concentration and osmotic pressure of blood by regulating the water contents of blood plasma. To avoid dehydration and dilution of the blood fluids, osmoregulation process is essential. Flexibility in the working of kidneys. The vertebrate kidney is extremely flexible in its working. It excretes large amount of hypotonic urine when water intake of an animal is very high, while it excretes small amount of hypertonic urine when water is deficient and needs to be conserved. Example, land and marine animals, especially in the birds and the mammals. Human eye. The retina is the innermost layer of the eye. It consists of 3 sublayers: ganglion cells, bipolar cells, and photoreceptor cells, sensitive to light. The photoreceptor cells are of 2 types called rods and cones. They contain light-sensitive proteins termed as photopigments. The cones are responsible for daylight vision and color vision, while the rods function in dim light vision. The purple-red protein celled rhodopsin is present in the rods, which is vitamin A derivative. The cones are of 3 types, which contain their own characteristic photopigments. That mechanism of hearing. The external ear collects the sound waves and directs them to the eardrum. The vibration produced in response to these waves are transmitted through the ear ossicles to the oval window from where they reach the fluid of the cochlea. The waves produced in the perilymph and endolymph induce a ripple in the basilar membrane. These movements of the basilar membrane bend the hair cells which press them against the tectorial membrane. Thymus gland. Thymus is located on the dorsal side of the heart and the aorta. It is a soft pink bilobed mass of lymphoid tissue. Histologically, it is formed of outer cortex and central medulla. Pregnancy. The condition of carrying 1 or more embryos in the uterus is called pregnancy or gestation. Human pregnancy lasts for average 266 days from fertility